Wow. Looking at all around here. In the last 4 days, this is just the most amazing thing that I'm seeing here.
The three of us just wanted to say something to the two of you as we get ready for the big day. So to Payal, you taught me how to be a strong woman and how to stay strong in tough situations. You taught me how to stand up for myself and how I should never settle for less than I deserve. I cannot imagine where I would be without you. Through 8th grade dance, high school prom, college graduation, and drunk graduate school Monday nights, you taught me what it was like to have a sister. Your selflessness, loyalty, and kind soul are just small testimonies to the amazing woman you are. Cheers to happiness and love for the rest of your life, because you deserve nothing short of that.
Ever since that day, we've been best friends. We have gone through so much together, from nights out where we couldn't stop smiling and laughing, to the late nights on the phone where we might be upset. I don't know how I would have gotten through some of those years without you.
Saturday is your wedding day, and I couldn't be any happier for you as you embark on the next stage of your life with the man that you love. Separately, you are two special, remarkable people, but together you are complete. Congratulations, I love you both. And all that we have been through together, I am reminded of just how important you are to me, how much I love you, respect you, and admire you. We are all so proud of you, your family, friends, and especially me. Everything you have achieved thus far is well-deserved and a source of constant inspiration. I can't begin to express how lucky of a man Neel is to have found you. And as us women know, when it comes to our friends, we have high standards. Neel, however, has exceeded my expectations since day one. I have no doubt that Neel will continue to take care of you, keep you happy, and make you laugh. His love and respect for you is so pure. Even more, Neel is so welcoming and generous when it comes to Payal's family and friends. I have experienced that myself with Neel, and I'm thankful to call him my friend. Most of all, Neel will do everything to make you the happiest woman on this planet.
I think the moment, the magnitude of your relationship really hit me about, you had just started dating about 3 years ago. You were actually at my wedding, and we hadn't seen you in a while. And you walked in, and this guy was just lit up. He just had this buzz about him, and he just had this presence. And I've known him at that time for over 10 years, and you'd always, never seen you like that. You look good. And two things that night were very, very clear is that one, it was Payal who had turned you into that person. And two, you knew it, and you knew you were with the woman that you're supposed to be with.
तेरे घूम के वो गल 나니 코카 니 तेरा 코카 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 कोका मेरा कुछ कुछ कहना नहीं कोका मेरा कुछ कुछ कहना नहीं कोका मेरा कुछ कुछ कहना नहीं कोका नी तेरा कोका 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 नी तेरा कोका 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 नी तेरा कोका 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 कोका
I didn't think 16 years ago I'd be doing this right now. Very surprised, a little nervous, but that's okay. So thank you to Payal and Neel's parents for bringing these two together. Couldn't have asked for anything better than that.
I would like to wish Payal and Neel a very happy wedding, a very happy life. Payal and Neel, I am so honored to be the witness of your wedding today. Payal, I have watched you grow up over the years, and I am so amazed how much you have grown in every way. I wish you and Neel joy and happiness as you enter into your new married life.
And Neel, we thank you for taking Payal off our hands. And let's make sure we show them a really good time tonight. Payal, I want you to know that I appreciate you for so much that you've done to me as I was growing up as a kid. And I wouldn't be half the man as I am today without you. And Neel, I want to thank you again for taking Payal off our hands, but also for finding that one person that you can relate to every day after work and still be happy with.
And you telling us that you were going to be married and engaged soon, and you wanted us to be our bridesmaids. Of course, I cried. But this time it was happy tears. And even though you moved to North Carolina, it's like nothing has changed. Payal, I am so happy for you and all you have accomplished. Cheers to you and Neel. Congratulations.
I am confident to say that Payal, you are the most focused, stable, ambitious, down-to-earth person I have ever met. As I stand here and reminisce on our journey of our friendship,
You're finally married, guys. That's it. Neel, I don't want her back. Don't bring her back to me. Yeah, but in all honesty, we wish you both the best, okay? And we are always going to be here for you guys. So whenever you need us, reach out to us, okay? To all the family members that came, whether they're from New Jersey, North Carolina, India, California, I want to thank you for coming here and enjoying this beautiful day for us. So thank you very much.
When I first met Neel, I kid you not, I told Payal, I was like, you guys are two peas in a pod. You are literally the male version, Neel, of Payal, or so I thought. Later on, we discovered there's a lot of differences between you two, but you guys balance each other out perfectly.
Me and Payal would spend days stalking Neel on every form of social media, trying to find out if he's actually real, who his friends were, where he lived, because sometimes it seemed just too good to be true.
On a more serious note, we are so glad that you guys found each other. And Neel, welcome to our big family. We couldn't have asked for a better addition, no matter how much, we go back and forth. You blend in with our family and friends so perfectly, and we couldn't be happier for you both. So, love you both so much. Congratulations, and we wish you nothing but a happy married life.
पीली रेड वाइन मैंने पुरानी लाख रोका था यारों ने एक ना कर तू मनमानी सुनो कल रात की कहानी